Hi, welcome to our video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we are going to see how to delete an already created file. So in the previous videos, we have seen how to create a file, how to write text content to our file, and how to read that file, how to read that content from our file. And now we'll see how to delete the file that we have. Okay, so this is our file. We'll see how to delete this file. So to do that, we'll add a new button here with create button next to create button. So this button is going to be btn delete. Text is going to be delete. Now when this button is clicked, we want our code to delete the specified file from our file system. Okay, so what we are going to do is, first we need to create a file object. We always need that file, and address is always the same because we are going to take that address from the text boxes in our design. So this is our file object. Now first we have to do, before starting to delete a file, we have to check if that file exists. So if file.exists is true, then here we write our delete code, else we'll provide a message to our user. Okay, and other than that, we need a try catch block. Since we are using file related operations, it's important to have that. Okay, so let's cut our code and paste it here. There you go. Now if the file exists, all we need to do is file.delete. Sorry, spelling error. File.delete. Now as you can see in the function definition, it returns boolean value. What's that boolean value? It returns true if and only if the file or directory is successfully deleted. There you go. So we can put the result in a boolean variable, and if a result is true, then file is successfully deleted, else an error occurred. Okay, so let's copy this file here, and in the catch block, sorry, one more else here, finally here. So here we said file deleted successfully, right? Okay, so we couldn't delete the file. Please check permissions, right? So this message we want it for our try catch block as well. So here this else means we check if the file exists, and true. So else means the file doesn't exist. So we can say the file doesn't exist. Please check the file location and name. Okay, there you go. Now let's try our file. Run file. It's being compiled. There we go. Now let's take the folder location to our file and try to delete. Okay, sample.txt. Let's try to delete a file that doesn't exist. Okay, we don't have sample.txt in our folder, so when we say delete, it should tell us file doesn't exist. Thank you. Now let's try the actual file, training file.txt. Delete. File deleted successfully. When we go to our folder, there's nothing here. So we've managed to delete our file. If we try to delete again, the file doesn't exist. So when I click create file, file being created. So here is our file. And when I want to delete the file, file deleted successfully. There's no file here. Okay. So this is how to delete simple text file using Java. So I hope it's clear. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions of any kind related to this video or related to the entire channel or entire course, please write it in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching.